Have you ever wondered what would happen if you did planks every day? Would it transform your body, boost your strength, or make you feel invincible? The answer is yes, and much more. Planking is a simple yet effective exercise that can have a significant impact on your physical and mental health. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the benefits of planking every day. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Number 1. Improved core strength. Planking is a powerful isometric exercise that targets deep core muscles, such as the transverse abdominis and obliques, responsible for stabilizing your spine and pelvis. These muscles are essential for maintaining proper posture, preventing back pain, and providing a strong foundation for various physical activities. Regular planking helps you develop functional core strength, promoting better movement mechanics, and reducing the risk of injuries in everyday life. Number 2. Enhanced posture. Modern lifestyles often encourage poor posture due to extended periods of sitting and screen use. Planking directly addresses this issue by engaging and strengthening the muscles responsible for maintaining an upright posture. As you hold the plank position, the muscles along your spine, shoulders, and upper back activate, promoting better spinal alignment. With consistent practice, you'll notice improved postural awareness and a natural tendency to stand and sit with a straighter spine, reducing strain on your neck and lower back. Number 3. Increased flexibility. While planking primarily emphasizes stability, it also involves gentle stretching. The position itself creates a slight elongation in your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. While not a substitute for dedicated stretching exercises, regular planking can contribute to improved flexibility over time. Enhanced flexibility means greater ease in daily movements and reduced muscle tension, making activities like bending, reaching, and twisting more comfortable and fluid. Number 4. Reduced back pain. Weak core muscles often contribute to lower back pain. Planking targets these muscles, providing the support needed to alleviate strain on the spine. As your core becomes stronger, it better distributes stress along your spinal column, reducing the pressure on individual vertebrae and discs. This enhanced stability not only helps manage existing back pain, but also prevents future issues, making planking an effective strategy for maintaining a healthy and pain-free back. Number 5. Boosted metabolism. Planking, though not a high-intensity exercise, has a metabolic impact due to its engagement of multiple muscle groups. By building lean muscle mass, your body's resting metabolic rate increases. This means you'll burn more calories even when at rest, aiding weight management efforts. While planking alone isn't a comprehensive weight loss solution, it complements a balanced diet and active lifestyle, contributing to a more efficient metabolism. Number 6. Better balance. Maintaining a plank position requires stabilization from various muscle groups, enhancing your overall balance and proprioception. Proprioception is your body's awareness of its position in space. As your stabilizing muscles become stronger, you'll experience improved balance during activities that require coordination and steadiness, such as walking on uneven terrain or performing dynamic movements. Number 7. Full body engagement. Planking isn't limited to your core. It's a full-body exercise. The plank position engages muscles in your shoulders, chest, back, glutes, and legs. As you hold the plank, each muscle group works together to maintain proper form, resulting in a comprehensive workout that benefits your entire body. This holistic engagement ensures that you're not only targeting your core muscles, but also experiencing a balanced and efficient workout session. Number 8. Enhanced athletic performance. A strong core is a foundation for athletic excellence across various disciplines. Planking strengthens your core muscles, allowing for better power transfer between your upper and lower body. This translates to improved athletic performance as you can generate force more efficiently and maintain controlled movement patterns. Whether you're a runner, weightlifter, or engage in team sports, a strong core developed through planking can significantly enhance your overall physical capabilities. Number 9. Improved digestion. Planking can have a positive impact on your digestive system. The pressure applied to your abdominal region during the exercise stimulates digestion by massaging your digestive organs. This gentle massage encourages the movement of food through your digestive tract, reducing the likelihood of bloating and supporting optimal digestive function. And finally, number 10. Mental resilience. Holding a plank requires not only physical strength, but also mental discipline and focus. As you challenge yourself to maintain the position, you build mental resilience by pushing through physical discomfort. This mental strength cultivated during planking can translate into your daily life, helping you tackle challenges with greater patience, determination, and confidence. Planking becomes a practice not only in physical fitness, but also in mental fortitude. Remember, the key to benefiting from planking is consistency and proper form. Gradually, increase the duration and intensity of your planks over time to continue experiencing these remarkable benefits. So there you go. This was some of the benefits of planking every day. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and comment on what topic should I make next video. Thank you, guys.